Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Colombian government scholarship, which is currently open for international applicants who want to study in Colombia. In the previous course, we have had master's, PhD and specialization programs that are available. For 2025, it is only master's degree that the government of Colombia is open. I'm going to show you all the details about this scholarship and what you need to do in order for you to apply for this scholarship. Meanwhile, if this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students in any part of the world. Look at this scholarship is currently open, and in order to foster international cooperation among countries that has affiliation with Colombia, the government is offering scholarship to those who want to study on a fully funded master degree scholarship. Another interesting part of this scholarship is that you don't need to provide IELTS. Here we have the details about this scholarship. So, like I told you earlier, previous core include master's, PhD and specialization degree. But for 2025, it is only master's degree program that are eligible, while the host is Columbia Universities. This is a fully funded scholarship which is targeted towards international students. Looking ahead, we have the eligibility requirements for the fully funded Colombian government scholarship. International students from all parts of the world are eligible to apply. Irrespective of the country you are located in right now, you can apply for this scholarship. Applicants must not be a Colombian nationality. That means Colombians are not eligible for this scholarship. Foreign professionals who do not have dual nationality, which is Colombian, who are not residing in Colombia, are also not eligible for this scholarship. Likewise, you must not be more than 50 years of age, and you must have a professional or bachelor degree program to apply for a master degree program at any of the Colombian universities. You must have an average of 4.0 out of 5.0 or equivalent in the Colombian scale to apply for this core. Proof of language proficiency is not required, and we have the documents must be sent in physical form to the ISTEX office. Candidate can submit up to 3 letters of admission, which means you can apply to 3 different universities of your choice. So next on the list is a scholarship duration. For masters, up to 24 months, which is 2 years, 4 academic semesters in any of the Colombian universities. So next is the benefit of this scholarship. Since it is a fully funded scholarship, it will cover full tuition fee, accommodation, travel costs, books and other stationaries. It will also cover healthcare. We have the monthly grant of the sum of 3 minimum monthly legal salaries of 2,484,000 Colombian pesos. The living allowance, installation allowance, and just like I mentioned, the monthly allowance. So for the installation cost, grant of 425,400 for once at the beginning of studies. So that is the cost of installation allowance. Then what else do you need? We need to consider the document that is required. Just like you can see on your screen, we have passport, curriculum vitae, we have letter of recommendation, health certificate, the letter of admission from Columbia Universities, official transcript, professional experience certificate, if any, Spanish language proficiency scores. We have the academic essay and also summary of online application for this course. So the documents should be addressed to the ISTEX office in Bogota. So this requires you to forward your documents to the address in Colombia. So to know more about how to apply for this scholarship, let me walk you through. So all you need to do to apply for this scholarship is just for you to submit an online application form which will indicate your interest in order for you to participate in this scholarship. So once you click on this link here, meanwhile I'm going to drop the link of this web page in the description of this video so you can access these links and also the official website. So once you click on this link, it will redirect you to this page. So all you need to do is create an account, enter your email, then enter your code, country code and phone number. So enter your password, confirm your password. So enter the password here and confirm the password. Then you need to sign in. Tick this box and then check and continue. So you click on this link. So once you are done with that, you'll be provided with your email and password. Then what you need to do is for you to click on start, enter your email, the password, and then get information to begin your application. So get information, you will be required for you to fill in your application form. So once you fill in the application form, you have to print it out, forward the application form alongside all these documents. You have to forward the application alongside all these documents to this address. So forwarding it to this address will really take a bunch of efforts. So you have to forward it. If you have a means of forwarding the document to this address, you can do that. So these are the documents that you are required to forward alongside the application form, in which after filling the application form you have to print it out and forward it alongside this document to this address. So this is how to apply for the scholarship. Meanwhile, once you click on the official website, it will redirect you to the core. This is the core. So as you can see here, we have the Colombian Scholarship for Foreigners 2025. We have this program is aimed at foreigners wishing to pursue master's studies in Colombia. You will find the application guideline in Spanish and English, so you can access this application guideline in Spanish and English here. So, and then it will give you the necessary information you need. So as you can see, the call will be open and until the call will be open until 13th of June 2025, and the results will be published on the ICETEX website on the 24th of June 2025. So all you need to do is for you to click on the application platform, which is this. If you click on this, it will still redirect you to this. So it will still redirect you to this or this, so you need to translate it, and then you can start your application. So this is how to apply for Colombian government scholarship for international students in 2025. If you like this video, do ensure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and see you in our next video.